Good day. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check if the battery is low or flat, how to take it out of the holder, and how to replace the battery. You'll start off by pushing and holding the button in. If you see that this light has gone dim or off, you know that the battery is either going flat or is dead completely. We'll then move over to taking the button out of the holder by using a flat to remove the screws. You can remove both screws. Once both screws have come loose, you can remove the top cover of the holder. The button comes out. You can then turn it around and you can see a star screw there. You take your small star, you loosen the screw. Once the screw is out, you can then put a slight bit of pressure in front to loosen the back cover, to peel it off, and then there's the PC board with the battery. It will always come out a bit funny, but that is fine. That is the battery, that is the compartment. You can then remove the battery, take a new one, insert it, make sure it's sitting all nicely within the springs. Once you have it nicely in the springs, you can take the back cover, make sure that the left spring fits perfectly in the cover, put the right spring sitting comfortably, take the top cover, put it back over. You'll hear a click from the cover. There you go, you put the screw back in. It's screwed in, you can place it back in the holder, put the top piece back on and screw the screws back in, and that's it. Thank you.